RDLs here. First off, we just need to set it up so that your barbell is going to rest down on plates at the bottom of your RDL. So essentially all you need to do is get a barbell, do an RDL with the Olympic plates on, come down, see whereabouts it should be touching down, and you want it to rest at that position. So for Dill, we got that on 2 20-kilo plates. What we're going to do is from the bottom, we're going to load up, yeah? So without us having to hold any weight, we can find ourselves in the bottom position of an RDL, stretch out those hamstrings and those glutes, and then when we're ready, pushing the feet into the floor, we're just going to drive those hips up and through it. This means we can make it far more glute dominant, and we really want to focus on stretching out hamstrings, glutes before we're lifting any weight, and then squeezing them, driving through with them. Quick hold up the top, and then lower it down back onto the plates.